Alrighty. Thank you for tuning in. I am going to try something in this holographic coaster mold from Molds and Shapes that I've had for a while. I am going to put aside some resin, 3 cups, about I think 10 grams each. First, no, I'm gonna pour in here first, sorry. So I'm using Nic Pro, my 1-to-1. I'm going to attempt a fireworks bloom. That is not one of my fortes, in the sense of sometimes it does the firework and sometimes it doesn't. So I'm going to try this by special request. So I'm going to put 12 grams, well, I'll put 12 in one. I'll show you what I'm going to do in a minute. Let that spread. I'm going to use Castincraft, and I do apologize for those two, but in one way I'm hoping to pique your interest as to what that is, and I will link the video below if I end up using it in one of my videos. So what I do is sometimes I just tape something, hope it works out, and then if it doesn't, I don't upload it. So I'm hoping that'll upload. It's using acrylic discs from Leah Dia Designs. And so there's that. Okay, so not too much. Okay, so I want to just have a layer of resin, because I am going to top coat this. And what I'm going to do is show you what I'm going to place in the 3 cups and get my piping bags ready and do my stuff and hope it works. Now, I don't know if it needs to be a thick layer of resin for the fireworks, so I'm just winging it and trying it. So I just put a little bit more. Okay, so I got to remember I did 3 ounces, and I don't need, but I'm not using a lot of ink, so I'm using Castincraft white. I'm going to use T-Rex. It's called Glacier Blue, because I'm trying to get a aqua color, and then I'm going to use silver powder. So let me put you on a time lapse while I mix up my 3 cups, place them in a piping bag, and I'll be back for the blooming. Okay, so I don't know if you can see, but there is some design coming through. So hopefully with this gunmetal paste that I put in with my resin, it'll show up. So I can see little thing of blue, the aqua, but I think hopefully it's just deceiving because I'm using this blue colored mold. So anyway, I'm going to spread this out and then I will see you for the unmolding. So let me just finish pouring this and then I'll turn off the camera and I will see you shortly. All right, it's time for the reveal. And I did take it out of the mold. And I'm going to show you one at a time. I think it turned out really prettily. The aqua is a little light, but I think the holographicness kind of takes care of it, hopefully. So I think that is really pretty for my attempt at a firework bloom. And I love how the holographic mold effect really enables it, don't you think? So anyway, there is my fireworks bloom. Yay! Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you next time.